In this video, I'm going to show you how to place orders on Tradovate. So there's actually a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you some of the most common ones. The first one is going to be trading above your chart. So to actually enable this trading panel, you want to click on View Settings up top and then enable Trade Mode by clicking on it. Then from here, you can see you have Buy and Sell Market and Buy Bid or Sell Ask. And of course, you can go and add ATMs as well, which are kind of presets. So I'm going to click on the Settings button over here, and then you can just give it a name over here. Click on the plus button, name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name this one test, and I'm gonna click on OK. Now we can go and basically show in ticks, delta price, or dollar value. You can then select the type. You could do take profit and stop loss. You could do stop loss only or take profit only. Then of course from here you can set the values for take profits and stop losses, and then the stop loss type as well in case you have that selected, and then click on save. Now whenever you do this, you can then pick that specific preset. I'm gonna click on test over here, and there we go. You can also set your quantities either by clicking any of these values or by typing in manually, and you can then just go and buy or sell however you want. That's the first way. The second one is going to be over here on the left. So by default, you should be able to see this panel. You can go and select at the bottom your ATM. Again, it's going to be the same thing. You can customize them here as well. It's the same window which pops up if you click on over here as well. And then you can go and buy or sell market and set quantities. And in here, you have some additional options. Then the third way is going to be the most customizable, and it's going to open up a new order. You want to go to this trading button top left, click on it. And from here, you have simple and advanced. So if you go simple, you can select your asset. You can select if you want to buy or sell. Then you can select the quantity over here, your order type you want to use. There's 6 of them right now. Then you have flags and release, and you can click on send, or you can reset if you want to reset. Then of course here you have the advanced mode as well, where you can select ATMs or OCO. So this is going to allow you to do the same thing which we covered earlier. You have like stop loss and stuff like that, or you could do an OCO order over here, where you can then go ahead and select the quantity and the type of order as well, and then send it, and you are good to go. So these are 3 of the most common ways to place orders on Tradovate. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.